Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany if you are new here. If this is your first video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell right next to it so you get notified anytime I upload a video. Today I am doing this pinky rosy toned Valentine's Day look and I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do. And without rambling on for too long, let's go ahead and get into the video. The first thing that I'm going to do is prime my skin using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. Then I'm going to take some of the NYX Hydra Touch Oil Primer and I'm going to put a little tiny bit of this under my eyes. Now while all of that is sinking into my skin, I'm going to go ahead and start on the eyes. I'm going to start off by taking some of the Tarte Shape Tape and prime my eyes with this. And this is just going to help any discoloration, the redness, the veins. I'm going to be taking Chic, this pink color right here. I'm going to use that as my transition shade. Now I'm going in with Mod just on the tip of my brush, tapping off the excess, and I'm going to slowly start building this up just in my crease. Now I'm going to jump into the Jaclyn Hill x Morphe palette and I'm going to grab some of the shade Sissy. And this shade is going to go all over the lid. I changed my mind. I'm just going to go in with my finger and get some of that on my finger and pack it onto the lid like that. Much better. Now I'm going to dip back into Chic and I'm going to blend out the harsh line. Now I'm going to go into my blush quad from e.l.f. I'm going to pick up some of this pink shade right here, trying to get it a little bit more pink. Now I'm going to go in with Love Letter from the Modern Renaissance palette and I'm going to put that just on the outer corner just to add a little bit of dimension. I'm going to stop right there with the eyes and I'm going to move on to my face. Today for foundation, I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Full Coverage Foundation. Going in with the Tarte Shape Tape. And blending that out with my sponge as well. Now I'm going to use Patrick's powder to set my face. Kat Von D Shade and Light palette to contour, and I'm just going to take a little tiny bit of the darkest shade right here to apply as my contour. Now I'm going to use Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer to bronze up the skin. Now for blush, I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Happy Booster Glow and Mood Boosting Blush in the shade Rose. And for highlight, I'm going to go in with the Pure Elevation palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Upgrade. It's just a pretty pink highlight with a gold reflect. Now I'm going to set all of that in place with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. Now to finish off the lower lash line, I'm going to go back into my Tarteist Pro Palette, and I'm going to be taking Chic, and I'm going to start running this along the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take just a little tiny bit of Love Letter and put that just on the outer corner. That way the top and the bottom lash lines will meet up. Now I'm going to quickly fill in my brows with the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. Now for lips, I'm going to go in with my Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Rose and Shine. And there you have it. This is the completed look. I hope you guys really enjoyed my version of the pink Valentine's Day look. If you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below and hit the notification bell right next to it so you get notified anytime I upload a video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.